Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn how we can animate charts in PowerPoint presentation. In PowerPoint presentations, professionals don't like animations, but in the case of charts, you need to grab attention of your audience because chart is basically a pictorial presentation of your data, and mostly audience don't look into the chart very deeply. So if you animate your charts, they will look into the charts and they may have attention on the charts. So let's start. I have a table with the sample data that is about sale analysis, and we have 4 items, and quarter one, quarter two sales are being analyzed over here. And the third column has the data of the change. For example, item 1, the sale was 30,000 in the quarter 1, but in the quarter 2 it was 57,000. There was a change of a price, you can say, or it was 27,000. For item 2, you can see it was there was low sale in quarter 2 as compared to quarter 1. So I have put some values to show you negative values also. Firstly, we'll create a chart. So we'll select these 3 columns and we'll press Alt F1. You can go to insert and find a chart. So MS Excel will create a chart for you, the bar chart. I'll choose another chart type which will be more expressive, that is line chart. For animation it will be more expressive. So let me add data labels to it, or find some good theme for it. Let's check if we have a good theme. That's nice theme, huh? So let me add the data labels. So we can have values where we have we don't need data table. Access titles, yes, we need. So this is the chart we'll animate in MS PowerPoint. Let me create another chart to show you negative values. So for negative values, I'll select this column. Then I'll press Control key and select the change column. So this is the change, basically uprise or downfall of the sale, and this is basically the comparison between two quarters. So now again I'll press Alt F1 and I have a column chart on it. So we'll discuss, we'll use the same chart, column chart over here for this particular thing. I don't need this one, so I'll right click on it and go to Format Access. So here I don't need this, so I'll go down and for labels I'll select none. Okay, and I'll make a line bit this is the line color I can give. So let me give some different color so we can see the line. So I'll make a line bit thicker so it will be visible, more visible to us. So increase the points. I'm making it 2 point. You can see this is the baseline. So these are our values. I want to give different color to negative values. So I'll click on legend, and in the fill option we have an option of invert if negative. When you select first color, it will give you an option for the second color automatically. So for the negative one, I'll choose the red color, and I'll choose the blue color for the positive values. So again, if we want to show for data labels, I'll just click on it on the chart, and I go to this and I'll click on data label. So we can see We have negative values with the red color and positive value with the yellow color. So I'll take these charts one by one to MS PowerPoint, and then I'll show you how we can animate the charts. Let me settle this one. Yeah, that's good. Here I have one slide in MS PowerPoint, the blank slide. So I'll copy chart from here. Right click, copy. I'll go to PowerPoint, and then I'll go to this, the small arrow under the paste button, and I'll select keep source formatting and linking the data. So I have a chart with the data linked in MS Excel. You can see the same chart is pasted over here. You can see. Okay. So how we can animate this chart, I'll show you. We'll go to animations. I like the wipe animation. I like this most. And the effect from left, and what we need to animate, we will animate by series. So you can see like this. So let's press Ctrl N to create another slide and paste the second chart on it. Go back to Excel, copy this chart, and we'll come back. Again, we'll go to small button under the paste button, and we'll paste the chart with keeping the source and the linking. Here I'll animate again. You can choose anyone, whichever you like more. For example, this is a fly from left, or I think swipe is much better. Swipe is much better. This time we'll animate category wise like this. You can see this is the animation we can show in our presentation. So if we are on this, I can show you by clicking on this is on the clicking effect. So when I click, you can see like this one. It looks beautiful. And for the second chart, we can see by clicking, you can see this one. So we can animate, and it will grab the attention of audience for you. You can change the timing from here, the duration, or you can add some delay time. For example, if I add delay time 25 milliseconds, then you can see it will take bit time to animate the chart. You can feel the difference. Okay, likewise over here, if I change some values, so you can see the difference. Look. So this is a nice way to show the chart in your presentation. So it will be more lively than the simple charts in the presentation. So that's all for today. Be with me. Let's learn together, and inshallah I'll keep uploading more videos on different topics. I'll try to make every topic very simple and learnable for you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.